Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans Clan Capital. This exciting feature allows your entire clan to build a massive shared base together. You'll use a special currency called Capital Gold to upgrade buildings and defenses across several unique districts. Participating in raid weekends is key to earning rewards and progressing your clan's capital. It's a truly collaborative experience for everyone. Earning Capital Gold is crucial for your clan's progress. The primary way is through raid weekends, where you attack other clan capitals and earn substantial amounts for destroying buildings. Additionally, you can convert your regular home village resources into Capital Gold daily at the Forge. This allows you to contribute even when not raiding, potentially generating up to 300,000 Capital Gold each day. Once you have Capital Gold, you can contribute it to any ongoing upgrade in your clan capital. Every clan member's contribution adds up, making upgrades complete much faster. A smart strategy is to prioritize upgrading your capital hall first, as this unlocks new districts and higher-level buildings. Also, consider investing in resource-generating structures like the Capital Gold Mine for a steady income stream. During raid weekends, coordination is vital for success. Work with your clan to focus attacks, ideally clearing one district entirely before moving to another for bonus rewards. Each player receives 6 attacks over the weekend, so use them wisely. Strategically deploy your troops to take down critical defenses and high-value targets, ensuring maximum destruction and Capital Gold earnings for your entire clan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.